मौसम है बारिश का और याद तुम्हारी आती है। बारिश के हर एक कतरे से आवाज तुम्हारी आती है। बादल जब भी गरजते हैं तो दिल की धड़कन बढ़ती है और दिल की हर एक धड़कन से आवाज तुम्हारी आती है। मौसम है बारिश का और याद तुम्हारी आती है।
Sanu, what are you thinking and why are you roaming here and there restlessly?
I'm feeling like making some nice hot something.
Yes, beta, it's very cold. It's raining from past 1 week and I don't know what to do.
You've given me an idea.
What?
We can make tomato soup.
Oh yes, I love tomato soup which you make.
Cut me the ingredients.
Yes, can you make for the viewers also?
That's what I was planning. I was planning a recipe I could show to my viewers and I have tried it many times.
Okay, fine. The viewers will love it. Viewers, it's just a tomato soup. Simple way Arush makes it. It's very tasty. So, I'll help you cut the vegetables. I'll cut everything and keep for you. Okay?
Okay. Ingredients, guys.
Yes. What are they? Can you tell us?
This is cardamom sticks.
Okay.
This is jeera.
Jeera. Yes.
Black pepper.
Oh, yes.
Lavanga.
Mm.
And
Yes.
coriander seeds.
Dhania. Then, what is this?
Ginger.
And all other things we do. We need
Ginger
to.
is chili. After chili, garlic, tomatoes,
Oh,
onion, coriander,
yes. Tomato.
water, oil.
Oil. Okay. Tomato soup needs tomato. So it's kept in the middle. Okay. So
But
let us start.
Yes! Guys, let us test this pan. Instead of adding oil first, we'll add 1 drop of water. Look, that means the pan is ready.
Yes.
Wait for the water to evaporate, which is done now. Guys, you need to add drops of oil next. Don't add too much oil.
Yes, the soup needs not lot of oil like vegetables.
Yes, you're right. Next, we will add in our spices. First, we'll add in cardamom. We will add in our jeera, cumin seeds and black peppers and lavangas.
Oh. So first we are adding all our spices and frying it.
Yes. And it has to be fried in less oil.
Okay. Nice, you told us.
Guys, while this is heating, let us make the tomato puree.
Okay.
Guys, let us make a tomato puree. You know why we puree tomatoes?
Because tomato needs soup. So we are pureeing the tomato first.
Yes, and there is one more reason to it.
What?
We puree it because the soup will be given nice texture, like soupy texture.
Oh.
Yes. It gives a soupy texture. When we blend it, it becomes like puree, right?
Yes.
That puree gives out the flavor. And that flavor makes the soup. Cooking is such a nice hobby for me. Especially when it's any special occasion. I love to cook many different items. Guys, I will put in water. This much is enough for these tomatoes.
Okay, we don't need to put too much water, right?
Right, tomato already You saw the tomato juice coming.
Yes, if not it will become water juice.
Not water juice.
Then?
It will become thin water soup.
Oh.
And not so nice. Guys, we have to grind this until it becomes into a nice smooth orangey paste. Done?
Done?
Perfectly. It's prepared into a nice liquid. Guys,
Start.
let us add in garlic. Do you know why we are adding garlic?
For the garlic flavor.
We are adding for garlic to give out the nice rich soupy tomato flavor. The tomato soup powder like flavor which is mixed in water. This soup is really nice. I tried it also one day. I made it for breakfast. I woke up early with my dad.
Yes, I remember it.
I woke up early with you, remember?
Yes, I remember.
Then we started making surprise for Mama.
Yeah.
Right, Mama?
Yes, it was awesome.
See, my mommy also complimented.
Yes.
Look, I tried something new. It came good. Now guys, we will add in chilies. Adrak. We should add adrak. We should add in adrak. Guys, now we should add in our chilies.
Yes.
Be careful with chilies. Red chili now. Look guys, it's like a war against spices and vegetables.
Yes.
Now we are adding our most special onion. It is really better. It guides the garlic away to put in the taste. Guys, we will add a little salt for the onion frying speedness. We will leave little so when we add water, salt will go. Guys, we have to fry this really well. Don't fry the onions until they are brown and burnt, as the soup will be really bad then. So we fry the onions nicely until
Become soft.
Yes.
Yeah.
And golden brown little.
Little golden brown, not very golden brown. Only little soft it becomes. So that when you drink the soup, if onion comes, it should be
Yummy. Remember that day, Dada, we were making this delicious soup.
Yes.
Even Vishu loved it.
Yeah, he tasted little bit only.
But he tasted little bit. Then when he tasted, he loved it. Eat it more. He drank his whole bowl.
Yeah.
Like this only. For next video, I'll try making corn. These are light golden brown. We have to add in our tomato puree. Now mix it in. It looks like a tomato paste, right? Yummy. We'll add in red Kashmiri chili for the tomatoey color. Don't add.
Red color.
Yes, guys, don't add too much, or it will look like spicy. So
It will be spicy. It will
not
get spicy.
it will get spicy and it will look like spicy. Then, if anyone will, if you give this to anyone, they will do excuses. I don't want this. I don't want this.
Yes.
So that's why we add in little. Oops. Oh. We add in little more water for nice cookingness of the soup. Guys, we have to boil this on medium flame only. You know why?
Why?
Because this taste will go, water will become less. Guys, if your tomatoes are too tangy, you can add in sugar or ketchup. I am using ketchup in this for yummy sweetiness little bit.
Oh.
It gets the soupy texture, flavor, little sweetiness inside. Whoosh. We added in tomato ketchup. Yum. This soup is going to be amazing. Let us add in the rest which is stuck on the bowl. Here we go. Add it. Let us mix this after adding the tomato ketchup. The tomato ketchup clumps may burn and they take some time to go off. Look. Guess, is it done?
Yes, I think so. I see thickness in it.
Yes, perfect time to add in coriander. I'm going to leave little. I'm going to add all because we can use again for sprinkling on top, and there is little more batch here which I'm going to use for sprinkling. Now I will off the flame and mix all coriander. It is done. Let us serve it in a bowl. Now we will strain this and serve it in our bowls. It's done completely. That will make me much easier. Guys, we have done making our yum soup. The soup is the best thing for dieting and it is really nice. Guys, this is my clear tomato soup. Time to add in coriander on top. Beep, 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 beep.
It's looking very nice, Arush. Liquid, very clear, without lot
Now
of
it's going to be a big
vegetables.
party. Do you want to taste it?
Yes, I want to. First you taste and let us know how it is.
Okay. Really good. And it tastes really better now. I love it. I can't even leave this.
Okay, so we'll finish it now.
Yes. Until then, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon for more new updates. While we eat this, drink this up.
Okay, bye bye, Arush.
Bye.
See you with more recipes
Bye
soon.
bye.